Okay, so in order to simplify this problem, we'll apply the formula of indices that we have studied, different formulas of indices. So first,
Yes.
I'm writing this number a raised to 2n minus 3, then multiply. Here I'm going to apply the formula, correct? Here we'll apply the formula a raised to m raised to n. So multiply m and n. So that will become a raised to 2 to the 4n plus
A raised to
2, correct?
4n plus 2.
Then divided by, we can write a raised to, similarly here also we'll apply the formula a raised to m raised to n, that is m into n. So this will become minus
Minus 12.
is equals to, here also we'll apply the same formula. First it will become a raised to 9 on the right hand side, then divided by, it will become a raised to minus 18. So this 6 into minus 3 is minus 18, and this,
सर आप लिख रहे हो कुछ?
yeah, it will reflect on screen. It will take a little bit time, 1 second or 2 seconds.
हाँ नहीं it was.
Now we'll simplify the left hand side again. We can see that numerators are having the same base separated by multiplication sign. So we'll add the power.
Same base.
Some a raised to 2n minus 3 plus 4n
A raised to 2n
plus 2
minus 3
divided
plus
by
4n plus 2
a raised to
plus 2.
minus 12 is equals to, now we'll simplify these two parts. Both the bases are same and they are separated by division sign. So we'll subtract the power. This will become a raised to 9 minus of minus 18. As per rule, this minus will come, correct? And minus 18 is already given. Now simply left hand side again. On power of a, we can see that this 2n and this 4n, they are like terms, so we can simplify them. That will become 6n.
Like terms.
Minus 3 plus 2 will become
6.
minus
6n.
1, correct? And then it is given divided by a raised to
This one.
minus 2. Then is equal to, here it is a raised to minus 9
minus 2.
this
12.
minus into minus is plus. So that will become 9 plus 18. 9 plus 18. Are you getting it?
Plus 18.
Are you getting it? Now this will become a raised to 6 minus 1. Now this power will go to, because they both bases are same and they are in the division part. So this will become minus of minus 12. As per the rule, a raised to m divided by a raised to n, we have to subtract because the division sign is there. This upon means division. So when this a minus 12 will go to the numerator, it will become minus of minus is equals to a raised to 27. Is that clear? Now what I will do, I will just simplify this part. I'm using some different color now. Okay, on the left hand side it will become a raised to 6n minus 1, and then this minus into minus will become plus 12. Okay, and is equals to a raised to 27 is given. Solving this part again, it will become a raised to 6n plus 11. These two parts are simplified like terms, is equals to a raised to 27. So a and a will get cancelled. Then we can simplify the remaining parts, nothing but an equation. 6n plus 11 is equals to 27.
6n plus 11 plus 27.
Now just arrange the like terms. It will become 6n equals to 27 minus 11, and that is equals to, if you solve this part, it will become 16, and therefore n equals to 16 upon 6. That is equals to 2 8s are correct and 2 3s are. So the final value of n is 8 upon 3. Any doubt? So the value of n for this question, after solving, we'll get 8 upon 3. So we have applied all the formulas, like we have applied the formula of product, we applied the formula of subtraction, we applied the formula where power of power is also multiplied.
Ah.
Simplified it. Okay. So
Ah.
solve it.